this is Karen Cole. Today, this is our first Grossery Gang video. As we see, we have 65 Grossery Gang, and we're going to have 70 videos to mention all of them. First, we're going to start off leaky sunscreen. It's like you could twist his top off. He has shades. Smile. He's not really slimy or anything. All he has is leaky sunscreen. That's a little weird. And he's a common.
It's like you could twist his top off.
That's what I just said. And this is the Slob Stopper. Roll. And here's a rare. He's a rare. No, just rare.
Oh.
These two are ultra rares. And we have Series 2 and Series 1 mixed up in here. And there's little bubbles. But they're on his cheek.
Next to his tongue.
Yeah. See his tongue?
And his eyeball.
Yeah. Below. It's like some are on it, kind of. On the edge. A tad bit slime. And next we have Gutter Butter with a knife in his head. I don't know why I said that. He has green spots on him. 2 eyeballs, 1 big, 1 small. Back has nothing. And you could barely see his
Oh, they look like they're blue spots.
What?
They look like they're blue spots.
But they're green.
Yeah?
In real person they are. Here, next we're going to have this guy. He is called pepper sauce. It has a lot of slime.
Pepper. No, pepper.
Slime.
No, pepper.
Slime.
No, pepper.
Slime.
Pepper.
Call it slime. Slime right there on the top. Slime coming out mouth. Slime right there. Slime on the bottom. This guy's gross. And he...
Real gross.
Yeah. Boop. And now we have Buzzed Energy Drink. It's like kind of when you look in his eyes, makes you go deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. Why are you supposed to say deeper? Say it again. And on top is like little bubbles. Are those yeah, those are bubbles. They're like orange or something. Look at his eyes. His mouth. And next, I'm going to show you. This is one of my favorites. It is called shampoo.
Shampoo.
Get it? Not shampoo, but shampoo. He has pink slime. And
There's
some
bubbles on the back of him, too.
Yeah. Barely. And his eyes are closed. And my bottom is fine. His top is like you could screw it off. And next we're going to show you Splodgy spray can. He has big eyeballs and 1 tooth.
Just 1 tooth.
Yeah. But he really has more inside. Look at this. This is all paint under here. I think. Right there. And here is putrid pancakes. Big stack of pancakes.
A big stack of pancakes. Like 100 right there.
No.
More.
If you have like 10 of them, there'll be like 100. Or maybe 20. Or maybe less.
Maybe 100 to have 100.
No.
One ginormous pancake. It's not even a pancake that big.
Yeah, in the world. And this bottom. And he has a strawberry in the top, right there some slime. It kind of looks like ketchup and mustard. I forgot to mention at the end of this video, we're going to show you this going to
Okay, we are going to show you
and the color changes with sugar.
And we are going to show you them
At the end of all 7 videos.
Yeah, and we're going to show you.
Maybe. Yeah, it might have more.
We're going to do the next video in a little bit. Bye.